How to connect Coinbase wallet to Coinbase and transfer crypto. What's up everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to easily connect your Coinbase wallet and then make transactions. But before we begin, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Let's begin. First thing first, you will have to open your wallet app. Once you launch your wallet app, you will get different options to open up your new account. Like this. From here you can create a new wallet, and then you will have an option to use an existing wallet if you have it, and after that you should be able to log into your wallet. From here, tap on claim my username if you want, and then just continue with the steps. After that, you just want to open up your Coinbase account, and once you head over to your settings menu, you will have to connect your wallet from there. And once you connect your new wallet that you've just opened, all you have to do here is now, if you want to send your crypto or make any transactions, just choose the asset that you want to send. It could be Ethereum, it could be Bitcoin, or any other crypto. And once you choose your asset, you will have to add a recipient to your transaction. So once you add the person that you want to send money to, you just tap on continue. And from here, you can choose the amount that you want to send, or you can even empty out your whole balance. Depending upon your choice, you just enter the amount and then tap on preview. And from here, make sure all of the network is correct and all of your ID is correct. You will just have to tap on send now and you're good to go. If you found this helpful, hit the like, share, and subscribe button. I will see you guys on the next one.